very good. How are you?
आपका सॉन्ग आया है महबूबा ओ महबूबा और बहुत लोग पसंद कर रहे हैं और आपके बारे में जानना भी चाह रहे हैं कौन है। होता है नॉर्मली लोग को पसंद आते हैं लोग, जरा अपने बारे में बताइए।
तो मैं जयपुर राजस्थान से हूँ। वहाँ पे एक स्मॉल टाउन है, इट्स कॉल्ड अजमेर। तो वहीं भी मेरी स्कूलिंग हुई है एंड उसके बाद में वहीं से आई स्टार्टेड गेटिंग मॉडलिंग ऑफर्स एंड I actually started my journey as a model. So I used to watch cinema. I used to love watching films. I used to dance. Like I used to dance for like hours. There is no tomorrow with the loud volume and everything, and everybody used to shout and stuff. But I never used to listen. Yeah, I think all of that processed into something, and then I started working on my walk and like mimicking people and dancing and everything. So then I started getting like modeling offers and stuff, and I went to Jaipur. That's where I participated in a pageant. I got like Miss Rajasthan title at that time. So it was really a big thing for me because none of my family, or like I never got like a family support to pursue what I wanted to. I just felt like I had to prove myself and make them proud and win their trust, and that's what I did. And I didn't wanted to ask them, I wanted to prove it to them. So yeah, I just started getting like modeling offers and everything, and then I moved to Delhi. And when I moved to Delhi, a lot of things has changed. There were more opportunities. I started getting TV commercials. I in fact did like TV commercial with Alia Bhatt. That was my first commercial ever. And yeah, after that, one fine day, my Panditji told me that you need to be in Bombay. So I was like, alrighty, I'm gonna move. So yeah, that's how I just moved here.
तो छोटे शहर से सपनों का शहर मुंबई, यहाँ तक का एक जर्नी है आपका, और एक पहला शहर आपका है, और एक बड़ी कंपनी में जो है म्यूजिकल, एक बड़ी कंपनी में अभी क्या फील करते हैं?
It's like a first step in the industry. So Bombay is something which I always used to admire. I used to like love watching Bombay in films, and when I came here, I just fell in love with the city. I just fell in love with vada pav. I used to eat vada pav like every day when I used to come, and as an actor, I used to go and like stand in lines and give auditions and everything possible to land a project or something. So Bombay overall has been like really close to my heart, and I never say Mumbai, I always say Bombay. It just comes from the heart. So yeah, and landing up such a big project with Tips, it was I think it was meant to be. I felt like, because I've been manifesting for a project like that, and doing a project which was previously like an iconic song Mehbooba, which is done by Helen ma'am. So yeah, it was just amazing.
कमेंट्स भी पढ़े थे, कमेंट्स में भी जो है फर्स्ट तो आपके जो चेहरे की बड़ी तारीफें हुई थी, और जो आपके डांस में बहुत तारीफें हुई। क्या कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? बहुत शानदार आपके डांस के में।
Thank you so much for that. I think all the credit goes to my choreographer. She just made sure to give me the choreography which fits me the best. But at the same time, she's been very, very supportive, and her entire team actually, because doing those 8 hours of rehearsals were very, very hectic for me. And challenging as well. So I think the whole team, I got a great hug from the entire team with the push and everything possible.
ये कुछ साउथ की प्रोजेक्ट भी आप कर रहे हैं, अगर कुछ बताना चाहें कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा उसका?
I think South के लोगों का ना they're very welcoming again I would say, and their level of discipline and their cinema is something which I really admire. So I think I'll be giving some exciting news soon.
अगर बताना चाहें आप कि जो क्या चीज़ आपको इंस्पायर करता है, जो इंडस्ट्री या कोई हो क्या
Sorry, what?
कोई आपको इंस्पायर करता है?
I think अभी जैसे हमने someone who inspires me is an actor. I think actors like Rajkumar Rao, Vicky Kaushal, and Priyanka Chopra. These are the people who really inspire me. So yeah, I follow their resilience. I follow their determination and everything, how they have, what all they have brought into the cinema. So yeah.
आपको फर्स्ट स्टेप को आने वाले 5 साल में आप अपने को कहाँ देखेंगे?
अभी तो प्लान नहीं किया है. Let's see where the destiny takes you.
जैसे शुरुआती वेब सीरीज या कुछ
I think I see
reality
myself-
shows आ रहे होंगे अगर
I see
आप
myself
बताना
doing a lot of films. Yeah.
चाहें। कुछ बताना चाहें आपके अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में, आने वाले प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बताना चाहें?
So I'm shooting for a project right now. I don't want to disclose more details about it, but yes, it's in South.
अच्छा, धोनी सर के साथ भी आपका कोई एड शूट वगैरह क्लास में क्या है?
So I shot for Master Card ad. Firstly, I didn't know that it's shot with Mr. Dhoni sir, MS Dhoni sir. So when he came on set, he was like very, very welcoming with everybody, very, very warm, and like I never thought that someone as big as him would be so humble with people around him, and his sense of like awareness around with like people. It was just amazing. So yeah, I just loved working with him.
क्या आप अपने को लगती मानते हैं कि आपको एड में धोनी सर मिलते हैं?
Yeah,
एक
very
तो
much.
दूसरे सॉन्ग भी आपको ऐसा सॉन्ग है जो कि लोग हिंदुस्तान का जो सॉन्ग है उसमें ये जो डांस का सॉन्ग है बहुत फेमस है। मैं हुआ जो है वो
Right.
बहुत पसंद
And also
है।
sung by Sukhvinder sir. So it was a great opportunity. I think yes, I think luck is something which works, but also like I think manifestation also does. So I do manifest these things.
सलमान खान की फिल्म आ रही है,
हाँ.
क्या कुछ विशेष है?
I saw the trailer. It's amazing. He's looking amazing, and I love his dance moves. I think more than me, his dance moves are much better. So I think really looking forward for the film.
अपने दर्शकों को बोलना चाहें, ऑडियंस को बोलना चाहें?
I think just stay tuned and yeah.